This is the kit that I picked up. And on the back of it, it has an example of the 12 different patterns that you can use. I also picked up another stamping plate so I can try that out for you all in a later video. So now I'm just going to show you everything that's in the box and how it's packaged. And I was holding the camera and trying to open this at the same time, so please bear with me. So here you see you have the black and white polish, the stamping tool, and the plate. And I decided to use the lacy print with the flowers and the black polish. So when you slide the plate out, up under there you have very detailed instructions, and up under that you have your scraping tool. And if you have never used stamping tools before, you will see how to use the stamper and the scraper in this video. Now me personally, this is the stamper that I will be using because it is clear and I can see through it, and I will show you why that's important in a few seconds. So first you want to pull the blue film off and get your stamping tools ready. And this is just a close-up of the polish in case you already have a kit of your own and you wanted to go out and buy this polish. So first you want to put a little polish on. I don't like to put a lot of polish because that's kind of a waste of polish. But here I actually didn't put enough polish, so I went back in and added a little bit more. After you get the polish into all of the little dips and grooves, you want to go in with your stamper and make sure you make great contact with the plate. And here you can see how you can see through it, and that's what I like, so I can make sure that I am placing my design exactly where I want it to go. Now one thing that I recommend, which I did the second time, make sure that you clean up any lines that's on your stamper that you don't want on your nail because it will transfer. What I had to do was remove the polish from that nail, and I redid it, and I actually like it better that way